Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PENN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. And the chart, I'm not going to say the chart's ruined, but things are definitely looking a little sketchy right now. To think at one point the price was all the way up here. And pullbacks are fine. Nothing can go straight up. But this was a pretty severe pullback where, again, I'm not going to say that everything is totally destroyed. But, as I stumble over my words, that kind of just illustrates perfectly, yeah, things are still looking relatively shaky. And this is why, in my mind, the very important level of support going into next week is right here at $7 on the dot. So that $7 round number. Why is 7 so important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur. But if the price were to come down to 7, and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be quite literally putting the price right back to where it just was, right to where it broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here a little bit more, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. In this situation, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows there. You'd have those lows down there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and $7 is going to be that initial level. From the resistance side of things, I'm just very curious about that trend line right there. This was a whole lot of selling pressure that showed up and just pushed the price straight downwards. So keep a close eye on that. And if the price can get a good high volume break of that trend line, well, then at that point, you could see it getting back up to the $10 mark, maybe even higher. But as of right now, I'm most curious about, can the price stay above $7 or not? Let's see what happens with it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.